Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the world has completely changed. Your car drives itself. AI doctors detect diseases before you even feel sick. Robots handle most jobs, and some people are preparing to live on Mars. It sounds like science fiction, but many experts believe parts of this future could arrive within the next few decades. So what will life really look like in 2050? Today, we're taking a journey into the future to explore the technologies, cities, jobs, and inventions that could reshape the way we live forever. Welcome to the world of 2050. The year is 2050. Just a few decades from today, the world could look completely different. Technologies that seem impossible today may become part of everyday life. Imagine stepping outside your home in the year 2050. The first thing you'll notice isn't the buildings, it's the silence. Most vehicles are electric, autonomous, and connected to intelligent traffic systems. Traffic jams have become rare because AI coordinates millions of vehicles in real time, choosing the fastest and safest routes automatically. Above you, drone deliveries zip between skyscrapers while autonomous buses and air taxis transport people across the city. Commutes that once took an hour may take just minutes. The cities themselves are smarter too. Buildings generate their own energy through advanced solar panels, while AI systems monitor electricity, water, and waste to reduce pollution. Streetlights brighten only when people are nearby. Sensors detect water leaks before they become disasters. Emergency services respond faster because AI predicts where help may be needed before an incident even happens. Parks are greener, air is cleaner, and technology quietly works in the background, making everyday life more efficient without most people even noticing. This isn't just about futuristic gadgets. It's about creating cities that are smarter, cleaner, and more connected than anything we've experienced before. The camera zooms from the skyline into one apartment window. Now imagine walking into your home in 2050. The moment you step inside, your house recognizes you. The lights adjust automatically, your favorite music begins to play, and the room temperature changes, all without touching a single button. Artificial intelligence has become the invisible assistant of everyday life. It learns your habits over time, helping you save energy, manage your schedule, and even remind you to take care of your health. Your kitchen may be equipped with smart appliances that suggest recipes based on the ingredients you already have. Some experts even predict that advanced home robots could help with cooking, cleaning, and other household chores, giving families more free time. Walls could become interactive displays, allowing you to attend meetings, watch movies, or learn new skills on demand. Instead of carrying multiple devices, your entire home becomes one intelligent digital environment. Homes may also become more sustainable. Solar panels, home battery systems, and rainwater recycling could reduce waste and lower environmental impact. The home of 2050 is designed to make life simpler and safer. The camera pulls away from the home into a futuristic hospital. For centuries, medicine has helped us live longer. But by 2050, healthcare could become more personalized and connected. Imagine waking up each morning wearing a tiny health monitor that constantly checks your heart rate, blood pressure, blood sugar, and dozens of other vital signs. If something unusual appears, your doctor could be alerted before you even notice any symptoms. Artificial intelligence could help doctors analyze medical scans in seconds, identifying patterns that might otherwise take much longer to detect. AI may become a powerful assistant for faster decisions. Robotic systems may perform highly precise surgeries, allowing doctors to operate with greater accuracy and helping patients recover more quickly in some cases. Researchers are also exploring new treatments using gene editing, personalized medicine, and advanced biotechnology. These innovations could transform how certain diseases are prevented and treated over the coming decades. The goal isn't just to treat illness, it's to detect problems earlier, improve quality of life, and help people stay healthier for longer. The heartbeat sound fades into a speeding train. Getting from one place to another could look completely different by 2050. Many experts believe autonomous vehicles will become far more common. People could travel while reading, working, or simply relaxing instead of driving. Cars may communicate with each other and with traffic systems in real time, helping reduce accidents and improve traffic flow. In some cities, electric air taxis are already being tested today. By 2050, they could become a practical option for short-distance travel, especially in crowded urban areas. High-speed rail networks may connect major cities faster than ever, while advances in sustainable aviation could make long-distance flights cleaner and more efficient. Delivery systems may also evolve. Autonomous drones and ground robots could transport groceries, medicines, and packages directly to homes within minutes. And beyond Earth, space travel may become more accessible. Governments and private companies are working toward long-term missions to the Moon and Mars, opening the possibility that future generations could travel farther than ever before. For thousands of years, humanity has looked up at the stars and wondered what lies beyond. By 2050, that dream could be closer than ever before. Permanent research stations on the Moon could support scientific discoveries and help prepare astronauts for longer missions deeper into space. Mars may also take its first steps toward becoming a place where humans can live and work for extended periods. While building a self-sustaining colony would be an enormous challenge, researchers are already studying habitats, food production, and life support systems that could make long-term missions possible. Space tourism may also become more common, allowing more people, not just astronauts, to experience the view of Earth from orbit. The next great frontier may no longer be across the ocean, but across our solar system. The question is no longer whether we'll explore space, it's how far we'll go. The question is no longer whether we'll explore space, it's how far we'll go. But the future won't only bring opportunities, it will also bring difficult challenges. Questions about privacy and ethics will be important. If artificial intelligence makes more decisions in our daily lives, who will make sure those decisions are fair and transparent? As more devices become connected to the internet, protecting personal information from cyber attacks could become one of society's biggest priorities. Climate change will remain another major challenge. Although cleaner technologies may reduce pollution, growing populations and increasing demand for energy will require smarter solutions than ever before. The future of work will also continue to evolve. While automation may replace some routine tasks, it could also create entirely new industries and careers that don't exist today. The greatest challenge may not be building smarter machines, but making sure technology continues to serve humanity, not the other way around. The future isn't something we discover, it's something we create. The year 2050 may seem far away, but it's closer than most of us realize. Many of the technologies we've explored today aren't just ideas anymore. They're already being tested, improved, and introduced around the world. The future isn't built by machines alone. It's built by scientists, entrepreneurs, teachers, and everyday people who choose to innovate, adapt, and dream bigger than ever before. The future has already begun. So, when 2050 finally arrives, will it be a world of endless possibilities, or a world of challenges we've failed to solve? The answer depends on what we do today. The future has already begun, and we're all part of writing its story.